गुड मॉर्निंग। सो आज की टॉपिक हम बात करते हैं पेक्टोरल रीजन। पेक्टोरल रीजन है इंटीरियर चेस्ट वॉल। सो पेक्टोरल रीजन इंटीरियर चेस्ट वॉल। इस इंटीरियर चेस्ट वॉल में दो इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रक्चर होती है। एक होती है मसल्स जो इंटीरियर लैटरल चेस्ट वॉल को अपर लिम्ब से कनेक्ट करवाती है, जैसे मसल ऑफ द पेक्टोरल रीजन। सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट होती है ब्रेस्ट। Breast is an important organ or the memory organ in the female, which it milk, and in the male it is a rudimentary, that is a breast. So the muscle of the pectoral region are the subclavius muscles. Second is the pectoralis minor muscles. Third is the pectoralis major muscle, and the fourth muscle is the not the muscle of the pectoral region, but उसको हम कंसीडर करते हैं इसमें pectoral region में muscle is the serratus anterior muscle. Serratus anterior. One by one हम सारे muscles origin, insertion, nerve supply और action के बारे में पढ़ते हैं। पहले देखते हैं डायग्राम में। So this is the manubrium. This is the clavicular facet. This is the facet for the first ribs, the facet of first rib, and articulate with the sternum. That is the from the sternum-manubrium joint. Okay, so this is the sternum. Okay, so this is the clavicle. Sorry, strong. So this is a clavicle. There is a first rib. This is the second rib. This is the third rib. This is the fourth rib. This is the fifth rib. The sixth rib. And last the seventh rib. So from first to seventh ribs, these ribs are directly articulated with the sternum with the help of costal cartilage. So this is the costal cartilage. And the 8th, 9th and 10th ribs are indirectly articulated to the sternum, that is by the costal. Okay, so this is the false ribs. These are the 8th, 9th and 10th. Okay, and here is a clavicle. So this is the clavicle. This is the coracoid portion. This is the genoid cavity. This is the lateral border, and this is the medial border, and here is the acromion process. Okay, the first muscle is the subclavius muscle. The subclavius muscle take origin कहाँ से करती है? स्टर्नोकोस्टल फर्स्ट रिब्स के अपर सरफेस पे या सुपर सरफेस के स्टर्नोकोस्टल जंक्शन से. सो दिस इज द subclavius muscle. The smallest muscles or horizontal muscles. इसके साथ क्या होती है? मिडिल 1/3 of the inferior surface of clavicle there is a subclavian groove. ठीक है ना? इसके साथ यहाँ पे subclavius muscles. So this is the subclavius muscle. Nerve supply not to the subclavius, which is branched from the upper trunk of the brachial plexus. action. It stabilizes the clavicle when it pulling downwards and medially. So it stabilizes the clavicle. That is the soft clevis muscle. The second muscle is the pectoralis minor muscle. The pectoralis minor muscle take origin from the third ribs, fourth ribs, and the fifth ribs. And the insertion is on the coracoid process. That is the medial border and the upper surface of the coracoid process. That is the insertion of the pectoralis minor muscles. So this is the pectoralis minor muscle. Nerve supply of the pectoralis minor muscle is the medial and the lateral pectoral nerve. Medial and the lateral pectoral nerve is branched from the lateral cord and the medial cord of the brachial plexus. Okay, so this is the pectoralis minor muscles. Action is depress the scapula along with the serratus anterior muscles. Along with the serratus anterior muscles, it protract the scapula or move forward the scapula. Okay, that is the pectoralis minor muscle. It also accessory muscles at the time of respiration or the forced respiration. That is the subpectoralis minor muscle. And the third muscle is the pectoralis major muscles. Okay, so here is the head of humerus. This is the greater tubercle of the humerus. This is the lesser tubercle of the humerus. Here is the bicipital groove. So this is the lateral lip of the bicipital groove, and this is the medial lip of the bicipital groove of the humerus. Okay. The serratus anterior muscles having a two head, that is a clavicular head and the sternocostal head. So the clavicular head की origin कहाँ से होती है? Medial half of the anterior aspect of the clavicle. So the medial half of the anterior aspect of the clavicle. And the second head is a sternocostal head. Sternocostal head की जो lateral part of the anterior surface of the sternum up to the sixth costal cartilage. Up to the sixth costal cartilage. That is the sternocostal head. So this is the external head, and the costal head from the costal middle part of the, that is the middle part of the costochondral. This is the costochondral part of the sternocostal junction up to the sixth ribs. Yeah, cartilage from second to sixth, the origin of the costal heads, and the one is from the aponeurosis part of the external oblique muscles. The lower fiber from the aponeurosis from the external oblique muscles. So this is the origin of the pectoralis minor muscle. Which are major muscles having two heads. This is the clavicular head, and this is the clavicular head, and this is the costal head. Okay. So these two heads inferiorly joined to form a single head. So this is known as the bilaminar tendon. Okay. This is the bilaminar tendon. So the clavicular head is also known as the anterior head, and the sternocostal head is also known as the posterior head. Okay. And the insertion is the lateral lip of the intertubercles. The lateral lip of the intertubercle sulcus. So this is the pectoralis major muscle. With the twisting of the posterior head of the pectoralis major muscles. How it is twisting? The upper fiber of the pectoralis major muscles insert the lower border of lower part of the lateral lip, and the lower fiber insert the upper part of the lateral lip. So this is the pectoralis major muscles. The nerve supply is the medial and the lateral pectoral nerve. Again, it is branched from the medial and the lateral cord of the brachial plexus. अब हम बात एक्शन की बात करते हैं, इसकी पेक्टोरालिस मेजर मसल्स की बात करते हैं। एक्शन पेक्टोरालिस में क्लाइंबिंग में हेल्प करती है, ठीक है, इट हेल्प इन द क्लाइंबिंग मूवमेंट। ओके, सो दिस इज द मसल ऑफ द pectoral, is the pectoralis major muscle. The fourth muscle is the not the muscle of the pectoral region, but it is the counter as the muscle of the pectoral region. So this is the lateral view हम बना रहे हैं. So this is the mandibulium and this is the sternum. Okay. So this is the first ribs, second ribs, third rib, fourth rib, fifth rib, sixth rib, seventh rib, eighth rib, and so on. Okay, so this is the lateral view of the chest wall. It is a coracoid process, glenoid cavity. Okay, this is the glenoid cavity, lateral border, and this is the medial border, and this is the acromion process. You can say this is the acromion process of the scapula. Okay, so serratus anterior muscle having 8 digitation. इसका ओरिजिन कहां से होती है? फर्स्ट रिब से लेके 8 रिब तक. किसकी? serratus anterior muscles की. इसकी होती है 8 digitation. The first rib और सेकेंड रिब जो डिजिटेशन निकलती है इसके अंदर कहां होती है? सुपेरियर एंगल ऑफ द स्कैपुला. कहां होती है? सुपेरियर एंगल ऑफ द स्कैपुला. जो थर्ड रिब्स फोर्थ रिब से निकलती है उसे कहां होती है? मीडियल बॉर्डर ऑफ द स्कैपुला. इट्स द मीडियल बॉर्डर ऑफ द स्कैपुला. एंड द लोअर फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ अप टू 8 टेंशन कहां होती है? इंफीरियर एंगल ऑफ द स्कैपुला. दिस इज द इंफीरियर एंगल ऑफ द स्कैपुला. सो दिस इज द serratus anterior. इस मसल्स को हम बॉक्सर मसल भी बोलते हैं because it pulls the scapula forwards and medially. It pulls the scapula forwards and medially. ठीक है ना? और ये क्या करती है? ओवरहेड एडक्शन भी कराती है. एबडक्शन. That is the action of the pectoral serratus anterior muscles. इसकी नर्व सप्लाई होती है लॉन्ग थोरैसिक. लॉन्ग थोरैसिक नर्व कहां से आती है? जिसकी की रूट वैल्यू की C5, C6 एंड C7 से आती है. कौन सी? लॉन्ग थोरैसिक नर्व. और उसको बोलते हैं नर्व टू द serratus anterior muscles. So this is all about the muscles of the pectoral region. Thank you for watching this video.